How to buy $Cloudy. Cloudy Heart Token Crypto Coin How to buy Cloud AI Agent MEXC Global LBANK Solana Raydium. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're going over the Cloudy Heart token. The ticker symbol is Cloudy, and this token just got listed on two big central exchanges today. It's a trending token with millions of dollars in 24-hour trade volume. We're going to break down everything you need to know about Cloudy Heart and how you can get it in just a second. But before we dive in, a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there are a ton of referral codes in the description box. Check them out for the best crypto apps. You can earn free money, free rewards, and free crypto just by using those codes and funding your account. Referral codes benefit both of us, so don't miss them and let's get into it. Cloudy Heart Token Overview. Token ticker, Cloudy. Blockchain, Solana. New listings, LBANK and MEXC Global, starting today. Market cap, $4.79 million. Token price, around $0.0247 per token. Total supply, originally 1 billion tokens, now reduced to 999,999,139 tokens, deflationary. 24-hour trading volume, $13.1 million. Holders, over 7,370 holders. First mint, January 24th, 2025. How to get Cloudy Heart token. You can grab the Cloudy Heart token on centralized exchanges like LBANK and MEXC Global, or through decentralized exchanges like Raydium. Here's how to get it. Option 1. MEXC Global, centralized exchange. Open an account using the MEXC Global referral link in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go to the trade section, search for Cloud, not Cloudy on MEXC, and buy the token. Option 2. LBANK, centralized exchange. If you already have an LBANK account, just search for Cloudy and trade it directly. Option 3. Raydium, decentralized exchange. Since Cloudy Heart is on the Solana blockchain, you'll need a wallet that supports Solana tokens, such as Solflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Fund your wallet with SOL from a centralized exchange. Connect your wallet to Raydium, links are in the description. Use the contract address from their Twitter pinned tweet to trade your SOL for Cloudy. What is Cloudy Heart? The Cloudy Heart token is a new project that mixes AI, music, and decentralized finance. The project's Twitter bio says, "A pop star living between the pixels and dust in your computer. Help me make music." It's a fun, creative token that's tapping into the digital space with a unique identity. On their website cloudyheart.net, you can explore music and content from the Cloudy Heart project with the option to donate and support the project. The token just minted on January 24th and is still in its early stages, but it's already gaining a lot of traction. They're active on Twitter. Check out their handle at Cloudy Heart and Telegram, which is a great place for updates and news about the project. Follow the Twitter and keep an eye out for new partnerships, listings, and more. Tokenomics and audits. Total supply, 999,999,139, deflationary from 1 billion. Decimals, 6 decimal places. Top holder. The top holder has 4.16% of the total tokens, but there is no giant whale controlling the majority, so that's good to see. Liquidity, about $1.1 million in Raydium liquidity, with 95.99% of that liquidity locked and burned. Token price, around $0.0247 per token, with a $4.79 million market cap. The token has been audited on DEX Tools, where it's got a solid DEX score of 82/99, although the lack of info on the website did cost them a few points. Their rug check says the risk analysis is good, and there are no honeypots, no mineable tokens, and tax is not modifiable. Community and updates. The Cloudy Heart community is growing fast with over 7,370 holders. You can join the conversation on Telegram. Check out at Cloudy Heart, where they share updates, memes, partnerships, and more. They're also really active on Twitter with 89 tweets already, and they just joined Twitter in January 2025. So it's still early for the project, but they're making waves. Final thoughts. The Cloudy Heart token is a fresh and unique project blending AI and music on the Solana blockchain. With a growing community, listings on LBANK and MEXC Global, an impressive 24-hour trading volume of $13.1 million, this token is definitely catching attention. It's still early, launched just yesterday, so keep an eye on this one as it continues to grow. Remember to do your own research and consider the risks before investing. Let me know in the comments what you think about Cloudy Heart. Do you see it as a good investment or not? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily updates on the newest tokens and crypto projects. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day out there, and peace out.